Professor Vibhuti ji, all the esteemed faculties, senior residents, junior residents, and all the support staff of RIO Patna. When you celebrate the 25th anniversary, when you commemorate the Silver Jubilee celebration, please accept my heartiest greetings and congratulations. When I go back in the memory lane, I have a basket of memorable nostalgic events which I can share over here, but I would like to share one event which will definitely make you proud. Nearly 20 years back, there was one academic program held at RIO under the aegis of Central Health Ministry and Dr. Rajendra Prasad Center, AIIMS, Delhi. RIO Patna was chosen and it was selected, and it was to develop as one of the elite institutes which would train the general ophthalmologists of Bihar and the neighboring states. In this context, a battery of high profiles senior ophthalmologists came from RPC to RIO. That included Professor V.K. Dada, Professor Rajvardhan Azad, Professor Rasik Vajpayee, Professor Ramanjit Sihota, Dr. Manjeet Bajaj, and many others. All of them were very much impressed by our work culture and hard work. And in the formal inauguration ceremony, Dr. V.K. Dada told the then director of RPC AIIMS Delhi that if he had to select the second best RIO apart from RPC AIIMS, he would select RIO Patna. And then from podium, when he asked to give ovation to our young team of doctors, you will not believe the crowd kept on clapping for nearly 1 to 2 minutes continuously, and the entire atmosphere became sensational. I just can't forget that event. At that time, the team RIO comprised of a handful of doctors. There were 3 assistant professors, 1 community ophthalmologist, and 4 or 5 senior residents. Everybody was new. The head's age was around 34 to 35 years of age. The junior most senior resident was having the age of 30 years or so. Everybody was young and energetic, and everybody came from good institutes, brought some newer thing to contribute to RIO, and RIO was performing like anything. So this was the story of past, but and that could relate something to the foundation of RIO. But when I talked about the present and future of RIO, I become more delighted when I see the phenomenal growth of RIO under the visionary leadership of Professor Vibhuti Prasanna Sinha. We are well aware of many things, many new arrivals, new building, and these phenomenal things which have happened, it has happened because of the hard work of Professor Vibhuti. And today when I am asked that which is the best RIO, I have no confusion. With 100% surety, I can say that RIO Patna is the best RIO throughout the nation. If you have to compare RIO Patna, you have to compare it with RIO Calcutta, RIO Chennai, RIO Prayag, Sitapur. You just cannot compare RIO Patna with RPC AIIMS, which has a bounty of benefits. It is full of funds. So, I must congratulate Dr. Vibhuti for his hard work and visionary. And I am 100% sure that in future many more new achievements, many more laurels are yet to come. Once again, I congratulate you all on this auspicious day. Long live RIO. Thank you very much.